What's up, savvy expats? Oh boy, do I got a treat for you all today because we are getting an exclusive look into Park McKinley West's pre-selling units. Whether you're an investor or in search of your next home in Manila's most renowned district, this condo may be for you. Alright, enough talk, allow me to give you a tour of this condo. Let's go. Alright, so here we start at the entrance, and for full disclosure, this is Park McKinley West's model unit, so everything here is already fully furnished. And while this may not seem like a large unit by Western standards, here in the Philippines, this is one of the most spacious 2-bedroom units you can get. To be specific, this 2-bedroom unit is 110 square meters, or in square feet, 1,184 square feet. Now, I'm about to reveal the price and the cost for this unit. While it may come as sticker shock for the Philippines, bear in mind that for a neighborhood like this unit is going to run you about 30 million pesos. But because BGC in McKinley Hill is like the Manhattan of Metro Manila, it's going for $600,000. But now that we got the price covered, walking into the unit from the entrance, you open up to a spacious layout. And so for starters, here we have the living room. As you can see, this is a possible way that you can furnish the living room with the artwork, the lampstands, the coffee table, and across from the living room with the sofas here, you find your television set and also shelving. And as opposed to most units that we find here in the Philippines with dim lighting, here at Park McKinley West, we find a well-lit space. Now, moving into the kitchen, let's talk a little bit about the location of this development, because at the end of the day, that's what you're paying for, the location, right? So this condo is situated right outside of arguably the highest end city of BGC, and it's in a district called McKinley Hill. McKinley Hill itself is a 50-hectare development, the largest development done by MegaWorld in Metro Manila, while McKinley Hill West is a 35-hectare development. And the benefit of living in McKinley Hill over BGC is the peace aspect. While BGC is still peaceful for a metropolitan city, McKinley Hill offers much more of a set apart and further location from the hustle and bustle. With a diversity of restaurants, colleges, and office centers, McKinley Hill is an organized and urbanized development. Another benefit of living in McKinley Hill is that it's cheaper than living in BGC while still being quite close to BGC and its conveniences. Anyways, moving into the kitchen, the first thing that we notice is this bar countertop style seating. This not only adds to extra seating apart from the dining table, but also a subtle separation between the living room and the kitchen. And of course, for those of you passionate about food, these countertops offer you more than enough space for you to go about your cooking. So before we walk into your secondary bedroom, it's worth mentioning that Park McKinley West is comprised of 4 towers. So the whole deal with this is that 2 towers are pre-selling, and if that's not your taste, you don't want to buy a pre-selling unit, then the other 2 towers are rent to own. So walking into your secondary bedroom, we find a relatively spacious room. And you can get a really good idea of how to furnish this space so that you can maximize the entire room. For example, with this room, you can see with the color palette that it would be good for your son. You have the blues, you have the dim lighting. So overall, this is just some inspiration that you can take for your child if you want them to stay with you in the second bedroom. Now, in terms of maximizing your space, here we have the built-in closet that comes in with every unit. And then across from that, we have this bed right here, decent sized bed, enough space to fit a good sized bed. And then across from that, we have your TV and some extra shelving space and even space for drawers to fit more clothes. And on this side, as you can see, for your son or your daughter to do their schoolwork, you also have some space, some desk space for them to work, along with more shelving here. Now, a few other final details about this room that you can acknowledge for this modeling unit that you could potentially do as well is add lampstands on either side of the bed. We also have the split type AC over here. Now, the thing about this room is that you can adjust the lighting of it. So as you can see, if we turn it off, you have a nice dim ambient lighting. And then you turn it back on, it's open again. Next is the balcony. So your child can also enjoy a view from Park McKinley West, enjoy the Philippine weather and the beautiful city view. Now, from the bedroom, you walk across only a couple steps and then you find your shared bathroom. Being the modern and new condo that it is, as you can see, it's a very up-to-date bathroom. With these condos at Park McKinley West, none of the details of the units really stand out in particular, but they do, however, work harmoniously so that it doesn't overstimulate you and you can basically have a blank canvas for you to create on. And so this bathroom is relatively spacious with this decent sized shower. You have a shower head, the toilet, as well as the sink. And another detail that I noticed from walking out from the bedroom is that the bedroom has wooden tile floors while the living room and bathroom have regular tiled floors. Now, walking out from the bathroom, which we already covered, and we also already covered the second bedroom, at the very end, we find arguably, actually by far, my favorite part about this 2-bedroom unit at Park McKinley West, and that is the master bedroom. I mean, just take a look at it. It's very, very spacious for a master bedroom in the Philippines. Now, I can definitely say, yes, you pay, at the end of the day, you are paying $600,000 for this unit, but it also comes with a great location. But all in all, the size of this master bedroom cannot be beaten. Not only do you get that, but you also get a balcony that comes with in the master bedroom. Now just pretend that you get a nice view, but really this is a showroom, so you just get a corporate office. But all in all, a few details of the master bedroom that you notice with how it's furnished here. We have a queen size bed, lampstands on either side, beautiful depth on the back of the bed with this design here and the ambient lighting. And what I love about this room is that unlike a lot of rooms and even houses that you find in the Philippines where it's just like a plain box to live in, there's actually depth. I mean, even just take a look at the ambient lighting over the ceiling here. It's not just a flat ceiling, but there's depth on it. Across from the bed, you have the television along with drawers that you can install. Here we have more shelving space, and then you can also install your own little powder area or an area for your wife to do her makeup. Moving forward over here, this is where we have the built-in closet, shoe rack for your shoes. I'm assuming you're gonna have a lot of shoes if you're paying $600,000 for a unit in the Philippines. And then also here we have the ensuite bathroom. Not a bad ensuite bathroom whatsoever. Quite spacious. I mean, here in the Philippines, if you can walk at least 10 steps in a bathroom, you know you have a decent sized bathroom. So cap on this bathroom is we have rainfall shower head, toilet. We also have a window right here, granite countertops, and the sink. So that just about covers your entire master bedroom. By far my favorite part of this unit. Let's go ahead back out to the living room. All right, now that we're closing this tour, all of this is thanks to our Mega World Realtor, Carlo.
So again guys, thank you Evan and Julio for taking your effort going here to McKinley Hill to show the latest pre-selling project in McKinley West. So again, this is Carlo Roque from Mega World Corporation. You can contact me through +63 917 587 0077, or you can shoot me an email through carlo.megaworld@gmail.com.
Perfect. So if any of you guys want to invest in a property here in the Philippines, specifically Mega World in McKinley, Parkwest, and in McKinley Hill, feel free to shoot Carlo an email or message him. And so thank you guys for watching this real estate tour. We hope you guys got a lot of value out of it, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless.